Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style channel, and today we're going to talk about daily stock market update. And we will figure out, is it bearish trend, is it short squeeze, what's going on? It's a bullish day, definitely it was bullish day. It was Fed pump day. Let's do Fed pumps day, right? And let's do our review. Please subscribe for YouTube channel and click like button to support the channel. Thank you so much. Let's move to Webull. To learn about Webull, go to the description and get a link to my training and learn about it. Okay, let me briefly share my configuration. White line is MA 200, purple line MA 100, blue line MA 50, yellow line MA 20, red line MA 10, green line MA 5. And I am using MACD indicator. Red line it's a signal line, and green line it's a MACD line. Also RSI indicator. Red line it's a signal line, and green line it's RSI line. Yellow line 70 it's a overbought zone, and yellow line below 30 it's a oversold zone. And also oscillator, also green, it's a bullish, red is a bearish, right? Let's start our update. Let's start from dollar on daily. Actually, before start, let's see. It's a green day for all markets, right? For all markets. It started negative. It started negative for all indexes, and it did close very bullish, right? Nasdaq almost 4.5%, S&P 3%, and Dow 2.2%. Huge move, huge pump by Fed. Let's go back and review it. Let's do technical analysis. Okay, dollar on daily, right? We had bullish crossover. It did move above MA 200, touched MA 200, MA 20, and it came back. It closed negative. MA 20 is still downtrend. That's the bearish direction. Right? That's what I told you before. MA 20, it's very powerful. When it does bearish crossover over MA 200, it's a bearish trend. But our indicators like MACD, it tells us it's a bullish. It's a bullish signal, bullish crossover with bullish divergence. Bullish divergences on all indicators, on the MACD histogram, on MACD lines, on RSI lines, on awesome oscillator. Dollar wants to go bullish. And it means it's a bearish for indexes on daily. Let's move to 4 hours. 4 hours. It looks like, yeah, it wants to go bearish. It was bullish, and it touched MA 100, and suddenly it changed direction to bearish. Awesome oscillator already changed direction to bearish, and there are RSI already changed bearish, did bearish crossover, and MACD ready to do bearish crossover. Let's see if it can do, if it's going to build, just continue to build bullish divergences. Look at it, so huge bullish divergences, right? This level, look at it, this level, right? And this level, it's a huge bullish divergences on all indicators, bullish divergences. bullish divergences on all indicators. In reality, it was kind of, yeah, bearish day for dollar, but it's still bullish trend. That means bearish for indexes. Let's see, 1 hour. 1 hour definitely it's a bearish, right? It was bullish, it was strong bullish trend, and suddenly it changed to bearish. MA5 did bearish crossover, MA20 did bearish crossover, all changed direction to bearish. And look at it, the last bar far from MA20, very far from MA20. And remember, as usually, it wants to go back to MA20. MACD did bearish crossover, RSI bearish crossover, all indicators, and also oscillator in a bearish trend. Bearish trend, it's a bullish for indexes on 1 hour, right? Let's move to Apple daily. Apple daily, bullish bar. It closed above my 20, 10, and 5. It didn't close the gap above. Maybe tomorrow it will close that gap. And look at it, MACD didn't do any bullish crossover yet. Still in bearish trend. Also, RSI did bullish crossover. Also oscillator still in a bearish trend. Yeah, the volume is kind of strong volume. Still in the bullish trend, still in a bearish direction on daily. Bearish direction, even that green, they didn't destroy the bearish trend. Let's check 4 hours. 4 hours. RSI changed to bullish. MACD still bearish. It touched the MA20. I don't know, maybe tomorrow it will close this gap, or maybe it will bounce from MA20. It will see. It bounced from the gap below the current state. I was expecting it should close the gap, but it didn't close. It bounced from it. Yeah, it's like usually it has 2 stages. The gap can be as a resistance or as a support in this case and bounce from it, or it should close the gap and bounce from the bottom. It's possible the same scenario like here, right? We solved that scenario. It was huge bullish day and it changed direction very quickly. That's what Fed, that's what market likes to do. Huge pump, change direction to bearish. Okay. Yeah, still bearish on the 2 indicators and bullish on RSI on 4 hours. 1 hour is definitely very bullish. 1 hour it's a bullish on all indicators, right? And last bar close about all moving averages. Huge move very quickly. All indicators bullish. Like I said, maybe they will move up tomorrow, close this gap, and then we'll go down. Okay, let's move to Qs. Qs daily. Qs daily, green day. It was ready for bearish crossover. It didn't happen. You see how it changed? It didn't happen. Still bullish with bearish divergence. That kind of the same. It's kind of new high, right? Recently new high, and it didn't. It still has bearish divergence on MACD indicator. RSI kind of RSI destroyed a bearish divergence, right? Also oscillator still has bearish divergence. It's a green light, but still has bearish divergence on daily. Still has bearish divergence. Didn't close the gap below. Bounce from MA20. Bounce from MA20, but now it's at the MA100. Let's see, last time it bounced from MA100. It was rejected from MA100. Let's see this time. Will it reject from this MA100 or it will move up to MA200, close this gap, and then will be rejected. We'll see. 4 hours. 4 hours. Per hours it was bearish. And it changed direction on the RSI, changed to bullish. On the MACD it's still bearish. It's ready for bullish crossover. And it closed above MA200. Close above MA200. Okay. Also oscillator still bearish. Bearish divergences on awesome oscillator. Still bearish divergences on MACD. Nothing changed to bullish. Still bearish divergences on all indicators, right, in 4 hours. Let's move to 1 hour. Definitely bullish trend. Bullish trend on all indicators. Overbought. It's on overbought zone. The RSI. It's overbought zone. New high. Still has bearish divergence. Still has bearish divergence on MACD, on RSI, and also oscillator. Nothing critically changed. Nothing changed. Still bearish divergences on all indicators and on all time frames for Qs. Qs wants to go bearish. Let's move to VXN. VXN daily. VXN daily. Red bar. Red day. Minus 6.7%. MACD still red. Bullish divergence. Bullish divergence on all indicators, right? Still bullish divergences on all indicators. It's a bearish for Qs. VXN volatility index for Nasdaq has bullish divergences on a daily time frame. 4 hours. 4 hours still the same. RSI changed direction, bearish crossover. Also oscillator changed to bearish. MACD wants to change to bearish, but still bullish divergence. Bullish divergences on all indicators. Still bullish divergences on all indicators, right? On 4 hours, let's say 1 hour. 1 hour should be bearish. 1 hour bearish, right? Bearish crossover. Last bar far from MA20. Still bullish divergence. Still we have new low, right? Compared to this level and this level, right? New low compared to MACD. It's still huge bullish divergence. RSI, bullish divergence. Awesome oscillator, bullish divergence. Yeah, bearish signal with bullish divergences. SPY. It's a fake move. Still bearish. For indexes still bearish. Bearish divergences. Let's do fine. We will do summary. Let's continue to do market review. Daily for SPY. Green day. Nice green day. It closed above MA200. It's not a new high. It was higher than this level in November, nothing higher than September, August actually, August. Still, yeah, compare this level and this level, it's uptrend, right? On the histogram, it's a downtrend. Downtrend, huge volume, it's powerful, huge volume. Still bearish divergence on also oscillator on MACD. Bearish divergences. And now it's a far from 820, right? Bearish divergences on daily. Still bullish signal. It was trying to do bearish crossover, but it didn't finalize. And still bullish, but with bearish divergences. Bearish divergences on the MACD and also oscillator. Let's check 4 hours. 4 hours for SPY. Still, yeah, new high uptrend, right? Uptrend from this direction on MACD, but on MACD line is still bearish divergence. It's building bearish divergence. It's not done yet, right? It can move higher and will destroy bearish divergence, but so far it's still bearish divergence on histogram, on the RSI and bearish and awesome oscillator. Still bearish divergence. Still bearish divergence on 4 hours. 1 hour. 1 hour for SPY. Similar story, right? It's an uptrend direction 1 hour. Still huge gap below us, but you see it has bearish divergence. Bearish divergence, right? It's a fake move up so far. Maybe it will destroy the bearish divergences on all indicators. So far, it's bearish divergences on all indicators. Market still wants to go bearish. SPY still wants to go bearish. Okay, let's see if it's a fake pump like here, right? Pump and dump. That's what market can do. That's what Fed can do to us. That's what to fix. VIX daily. VIX daily. Red day minus 6%. Minus 6% at the 20 level. Same level as a few days ago. Looks like it's a bottom, right? It's building bottom. Still bearish trend with bullish divergence, right? Histogram, look at it. Bullish divergence. It's building bullish divergences. Bullish divergences. Bullish divergences on RSI. Kind of bullish divergence on the oscillator. Bearish signal with bullish divergences on the VIX. VIX at volatility index for SPY, right? New low today. Still bullish divergences on 4 hours on all indicators. It wants to go bearish on MACD. Didn't confirm yet. RSI already confirmed. Also oscillator already confirmed to red. So far, it's still bullish divergence. Market wants to go, VIX wants to go bullish. It's a bearish for SPY. Let's move to 1 hour. 1 hour, yeah, same story. Bearish signal, bearish crossover on all indicators, MACD, oscillator, RSI, bearish signal everywhere, with bullish divergence. Look at it, this trend bearish, this uptrend, right? Like MACD, it's an uptrend, RSI uptrend, awesome oscillator uptrend, bullish divergences on 1 hour. Bullish divergences from here, right? Bullish divergences on all indicators. 1 hour, it's bearish for SPY. Let's move to Dow Jones. Dow Jones, DIA. DIA, daily. Let's see what we have daily. DIA, green bar, green bullish bar, green bullish day, strong volume, still in bearish MACD, still in a bearish position, still bearish signal, MACD, it's bearish divergence on the histogram, bearish divergence on MACD line, it's building just bearish divergence. We'll see if it can destroy, but so far it looks like market still, Dow wants to still go bearish. Still wants to go bearish. That's what I mentioned to you before. MA20 did bullish crossover, and it's very powerful. Even we received the signal from MACD, it wants to go bearish, but because of the MA20, it's still holding the bullish, until MA20 change direction to bearish. Then it will push down. But still, yeah, bearish divergences on all indicators. Be ready. It is chance for the who didn't sell the bullish position. Market gives you opportunity to sell it or put a stop, and be ready for market to change direction to bearish. You see now it's huge volatility, right? Market can move 4% up, and it can move today it's like 2% up, and can move easy 2% down tomorrow. We'll see. Or it can continue like here. It's like it was huge move, right? And after that, it still has huge move from this low, but it was low, right? It was low. We started from oversold condition, and that's why. But now we are on the overbought position. On RSI, we are on the overbought zone, multiple bearish divergences, multiple. We are in a bullish trend from here, but on RSI, we are in a bearish. From here on MACD bearish, awesome oscillator bearish. Bearish divergences, be ready for market, for Dow to change to bearish. 4 hours, similar story. Bullish trend, right? Has huge gap. MACD bearish divergence. Also RSI bearish divergence. Also oscillator bearish divergence. MACD did bullish crossover. I'm sorry, RSI did bullish crossover. MACD is still bearish. Also oscillator still bearish. Strong, huge volume, right? Strong volume day. As of now, far from 820. We moved far from 820, we'll see. 1 hour. 1 hour. Similar like SPY and other indexes, right? We have new high on bars, new high from this level to this level. On MACD, bearish divergence. It's a bullish trend, huge volume, bullish crossover on the RSI, bullish crossover on MACD, also oscillator bullish, but bearish trend. Be ready, market wants to change to bearish. That's a huge multiple divergences, right? If you check here, it's from here. It's from this point. I'm sorry. From this point, right? It's uptrend, uptrend. This is from this point on the MACD. It's a downtrend, downtrend. On RSI, downtrend. Actually, on RSI, not from this point, right? Downtrend from this point. Bearish divergence. From on awesome oscillator, downtrend from this point. That's what we have. Bearish divergences, multiple bearish divergences on all indicators. Be ready for Dow to change direction to bearish. VXD volatility index for Dow, market 2% up, volatility index 7% down. That's not expected. Before, do you remember I mentioned that Dow was kind of negative and VXD was negative? That's not a right behavior. It means investors didn't care. And now it shows the real direction. Okay, let's move. Daily, it's a negative bar, negative on still bullish divergence, still bullish divergence on all indicators. On daily, still bullish divergence. It wants to go bullish. MA20 did bullish bearish crossover. It is powerful bearish trend. But still bullish divergences on daily. It's bearish for Dow. 4 hours. MACD wants to do bearish crossover. Also, RSI already did bearish crossover. Also, oscillator already bearish in red color. But still, yeah, still bullish divergences on all indicators, right? We are on the same level. Still bullish divergences on 4 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour, yeah, still bullish divergences, right? Bearish trend, bearish signal, bearish trend on all indicators with bullish divergences. It's bearish for Dow. Let's move to IWM. IWM daily. IWM daily. It touched, yeah. It touched the gap like 3 times already, more. 1 time it touched here, it touched here, it touched here, it touched here, it touched here. On daily, it did touch 5 times. 5 times it touched the MA, the gap, and bounced from it. That's interesting. That's interesting. Strong support, this gap. But I believe it will close it. It will close it, and especially you see, MA20 was uptrend, but it didn't do bullish crossover. And it's kind of parallel with MA200. That's good. It is bearish. It wants to go bearish. Be ready. If you didn't sell the long, just keep tight. Stop. Because we have bearish divergences on all indicators. Market wants to go. IWM wants to go bearish. Russell 2000 wants to go bearish. Bearish divergences on all indicators. Yeah, large volume. Large bullish day, but still wants to go bearish. 4 hours. 4 hours. Same story, right? Same story. The last bar bounced from MA200 and from the gap zone. Bounce from MA200. it wants to do bullish crossover, and on RSI it did bullish crossover. On Osmo Oscillator still bearish, on MACD still bearish. It was like here, right? It was trying to do bullish crossover, didn't happen. It's trying to do bullish crossover now again. We'll see, will it happen or it will go down, or it will continue, it will destroy the bearish divergences. We'll see. I don't know. Let's follow the market. So far, it still has bearish divergences on all indicators. It's a bullish for, I'm sorry, bearish divergences for all indicators. It's a bearish signal that Russell 2000 wants to go bearish in 4 hours. 1 hour, 1 hour, similar story, bullish signal, MACD bullish crossover, RSI bullish crossover, Osmo Oscillator bullish with bearish divergency, right? Yeah, let's see from here, right? From this point to this point is uptrend. Let me show you. It's the uptrend direction, right? On MACD, it's a downtrend. MACD line downtrend. On RSI, it destroyed bearish divergence. On Osmo Oscillator, still bearish divergence, right? Still bearish divergence. On 1 hour. Okay, let's do summary. Bullish day, strong volume, bullish day for all indexes, and at the same time, it didn't destroy so far, didn't destroy bearish divergences. Still, all indexes, they have bearish divergences on all indicators, on daily, on 4 hours, and 1 hour. All indicators have bearish divergences. Be careful, this move can be fake. It can continue to go up and destroy bearish divergences. It's absolutely possible, everything possible in the market. But so far, this bullish run, it still has bearish divergences, and all indexes, they want to go bearish. They still have bearish divergences. Be careful, keep tight stops, be ready for market to change direction to bearish very quickly. Thank you so much. If you want to learn more about simple trading style, go to the description. There are several links to all my trainings. Thank you so much. Let's move to disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This video for educational informational purposes only. Please read it. And thank you for watching simple trading style video. And it works for stocks, ETFs, options, and crypto. I do publish also multiple updates daily, weekly, monthly. Please subscribe for YouTube channel, Telegram, Discord community, and click like button to support the channel. Thank you so much. Good luck. Bye now.